A blazer is often the finishing touch that can take an outfit from being just casual to polished enough to wear to work. If you're petite and you've been looking for a blazer that you can wear without any alterations, I have 4 options for you in today's post. These blazers are lightweight, neutral, and ready for the spring and summer season. If this is your first time meeting me, I'm a petite style blogger. I'm 4'10", and I hunt for finds that you can wear right from the store without any alterations. This is the fitted blazer in plaid from Ann Taylor. I'm wearing it here in my true size, petite 00, and I think it fits me well. I think it has a great fit at the shoulders. The shoulders have light padding, so there is a little bit of added structure there. The sleeves just touch my hands here. The length of the blazer is a long, modern fit. Buttoned, it does draw in just a little bit here at the waist without pulling. On this blazer has a little bit of stretch to it, so it's very comfortable to wear, easy to move in, not restrictive across the shoulders or through the sleeves. I think this blazer is a nice weight for the spring and summer season, and I also love the print on this. It has a taupe base, and then the plaid in it has light blue, chocolate brown, white, really pretty colors for the spring and summer season. So it's nice and neutral while still adding a little something different. The blazer has a nice lining. It's very well made, and this one's also machine washable. This is the crosshatch blazer from White House Black Market. I'm wearing it here in petite 00. I think it has a great fit for petites. Fits well at the shoulders, great sleeve length. This one has a nice, long, modern fit and is drawn in at the waist. I especially like the way that this blazer looks when it's buttoned. It kind of just draws in at the waist and then flares out at the bottom. Blazer has a linen feel, but it's not linen. It's a blend of polyester and viscose. It is machine washable, and it's lightweight, so it'll be good for the spring and summer season. This one has a little bit of stretch at the shoulders. It's not restrictive. It's not tight at the armpits or through the sleeve. This is the sculpted stretch blazer from Banana Republic Factory. This one is a little bit oversized on me. I'm wearing it here in petite 00, and it fits me well at the shoulders, and it fits me well sleeve lengthwise. The fit through the body is just a little more boxy, a little more relaxed. You can see buttoned, you can just see the boxy fit of this one. This blazer, it is meant to be a stretch blazer, and so it definitely has a lot of comfortable stretch. Very comfortable to wear, forgiving through the shoulders, forgiving at the armpits. It's also nicely lined and I think well made, especially for the price point. This one is machine washable as well. Of course, I wanted to show you how this looked without the sleeves pushed back, but I would typically style this one pushing them back just to balance this kind of oversized and boxy fit of the blazer. And if you're curious how I push back the sleeves on a blazer, there are some tricks out there. People will use bands around their arm that they tuck the blazer into. I have tried that, and for me that cut my circulation off, so that's not for me. I basically just tuck them. So I will start kind of where I want the blazer to land and then start tucking and pushing. And I will keep on pushing and tucking until it builds enough bulk to be tight on your arm. It's not foolproof. They will still sometimes fall down a little bit with wear and need to be adjusted throughout the day. But this method, it builds a little bulk, so they'll hold to your arm, but it also keeps it kind of streamlined. Instead of just pushing back the sleeve, tucking them under, just makes it look a little bit streamlined. And this is the schoolboy blazer from J.Crew Factory in a linen and cotton blend. I'm wearing it here in petite, extra, extra small, and I think it fits me well. It has a great fit at the shoulders. The schoolboy blazer is a style that has been around for many years. It is a classic style. It's a little bit shorter. It has a boxy fit overall. The sleeves are a great length on this blazer. And buttoned up, it does draw in a little bit at my waist, but it's not pulling in my true size. This blazer is a blend of linen and cotton, so if you are someone who is looking for more natural fibers, especially in your work wardrobe where it can be a little bit harder to find those pieces, this blazer may be one to try. But it is also fair to note that it's dry clean only, so keep that in mind. It is nicely lined, well made, and it's a great weight for the spring and summer season. And as far as the fit through the shoulders and at the armpits, this one is a little more restrictive, not as forgiving, not as stretchy as the Ann Taylor blazer. It is still comfortable, but it's just fair to note that that stretch isn't there. The links to shop can be found in the description below, along with a link to my blog post where you can find outfit photos and written descriptions of each piece. If you'd like to see more of my petite-friendly content, be sure to follow me on socials for daily content. Follow along on my blog at pumpsandpushups.com. And if you'd like to see more of my long reviews here, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel.